Good afternoon to you all. Just to correct again the chair, the dignitaries here. I am Fayaz Ahmad, Dr. Fayaz Ahmad. I think he is finding it difficult to spell my name, and though we discuss it. I am Dr. Fayaz Ahmad, working with Indira Gandhi National University, currently placed as Deputy Director at Regional Center, Hyderabad. So I have been pitched in here to represent IGNOU, and I think in 5 minutes' time, just I'd like to share my thoughts what IGNOU is doing with respect to the vocational training and the programs which have been launched. As you are all aware that when we attained independence in the year 1947, the different education commissions right from 1948, that is Dr. Radhakrishnan's commission, to the new education policy of 1985 and the program of action of 1986 had emphasized that education should result in employability also. Though the focus of education was more so on character development, character formation, all that, because as Swami Vivekananda also remarked that education is already the divine perfection existing in the man that has to be drawn out of the person. And also Gandhiji has talked of 3H, education of the head, heart and hand, all that. But more so, as we realized and as all the speakers have remarked, that most of the time the skill development has been neglected in the Indian context, and as the earlier speakers have also remarked, Dr. Jaina and all others, only 5% of the people in India have got some kind of a skill, and 95% of them do not have got any kind of a skill, or they are semi-skilled or unskilled, all that. And 93% of the people work in unorganized sector kind of a thing. So to give them the skills, the education scenario has to be changed, and it's very good that the universities which have been given the function of teaching, research, extension have also started to look at in a way what skills are needed. And as Dr. Jaina has pointed out that only 300 skills have been identified, 600 skills or 300 skills have been 600 skills have been identified in comparison to 3000 skills in China. But still in those areas the skill development is not happening properly. So IGNOU in the very recent years, under the dynamic leadership of the Vice Chancellor Professor Rajesh Shekaran Pillai, has started looking that apart from the academic programs which we are offering for the benefit of the society, because academic programs are needed, that's the need of the hour. We need, as Jawaharlal Nehru also remarked, that we need people with higher education, people to take up teaching, research, scientific jobs, all that. But at the same time, all the people cannot be there on the top position only. Because people may discuss again that how is it that all the people should not reach the top. We require people in different areas. As Jawaharlal Nehru also remarked while addressing the students of convocation in Allahabad in the year 1952, that if the nation has to progress, it has to progress in almost all the fields. We cannot leave certain fields and then just go on in only certain fields. So the burden of Indian education system was more towards academic orientation, neglecting the skill development and vocational education. But that has not been realized by all the educationists and academics, that if the nation has to progress in different fields, graduates who have become unemployable should be trained in different areas. So IGNOU in its effort has launched very recently a number of programs which are vocational based, which are giving the skills to the learners. Most of the people, say for instance a graduate has come out, he would like to be employed in an industry of BPO, or even 10+2 person also, he lacks the communication skills. The other speaker was mentioning that because he belongs to the field of English, liquid, that's what he was telling, that most of these people lack communication skills. So what to be done? So a program is launched in the area of diploma in BPO operations, and it has been launched with in association with Accenture. Now the universities are open up, particularly in IGNOU, we are open up and signing memorandum of understandings with so many other companies. Sir, if I am right, Dr. Koshi, that we have signed MOU with you also, several MOUs, designing programs related to apparel management and designing of all this. So we have signed there also. So if you go through the IGNOU website, you would realize that a number of programs which have been launched very recently, because our Vice Chancellor has given us an opportunity to design programs even from the regional centers. It was till date, it was given up to headquarters only, that the programs should be developed from New Delhi only, and the school faculty over there will design and develop the programs. Now with the intervention of our Vice Chancellor, he has told that it's not just the headquarters which will design the programs, even the regional centers can also take up this activity. And with that telling, the regional centers itself have come with more than 100 need-based programs. And the area of IGNOU has gone to 350 programs, from 200 programs to 350 programs. One can see that IGNOU has got now 350 programs as of around today. And if you visit the website, you will see that there is not an area where we are not entering into that particular field. We have recently signed MOU with VLCC also, going in for a program in cosmetology. Because the beauty industry is growing up like anything, the garment industry is growing up like anything. Our Vice Chancellor, who is has got a vision that all these areas need to be covered. We have signed MOU with Retail Association of India, launching BBA Retailing, Bachelors in Business Administration Retailing. There are quite a number of areas. Areas like, say, for instance, we have got a program in security management, which is there for those who have passed 10th class. They can be trained in the aspects of security. Then we have got what is called as programs related to fashion designing. That also has come. Optometry, those who have passed 10 plus 2 with the IPC group can join our BSc optometry program and can become, they can just be assisting the ophthalmologist. Then we have got paramedical. We have established a Center for Paramedical Studies, which has launched quite a number of programs in the area of anesthesia, X-ray techniques, all that. One can go to the Center for Paramedical Studies of IGNOU and can see that how many vocational programs have been launched, which would be helpful in developing the skills of various learners who are unable to get employment. We get a lot of queries at the regional center also related to these programs, and we have signed MOU with Apollo Hospitals also, at Hyderabad also, where we have launched our paramedical courses. One of the courses available is in BA in Critical Care, Anesthesia and Techniques. That is also being launched, and it is an offer, and 6 students have already joined that program also. That is going to become more popular in the coming days. So much earlier to that, we had signed MOU with Hero Honda also, where we have got a training program to train technicians related to Hero Honda and others, which is called as CMSR program. And then we have got retailing, I have already told you, BPO, I had told you. Functional English, we have launched a program in certificate in functional English. We have got that one so that the communicative abilities of the learner should go up. We have got that also. We have got even programs in foreign languages, because there is an area where most of the people are required as translators. Then those who would be able to take up these positions in ministries, all that. So we have launched programs in certificate in German, Arabic. You can just see it. The area of programs which are being offered by IGNOU are many. So you can have a list of all those programs from there. Then we have got many technical programs also. So that to tell you all, IGNOU has opened up into vocational education, and it's offering a number of programs. So what Henry Adams told, that education is of two kinds. One is for life and the other is for living. So the character formation, the basis of education is there, but at the same time one should go for living also. So to earn one's livelihood, we require vocational training. So IGNOU has come in the field to offer all these programs. Thank you very much. I think you can browse IGNOU's website www.ignou.ac.in to see all the details over there. Thanks a lot.